Today started out uniquely. I'm at the GoSun warehouse. You can see some of the work that we do, some of the products that we've got ready for the world. And we're heading off to an event with DHL. This is Mr. Ryan Moore, production manager. This is their new way of getting packages around in Manhattan.
In an effort to reduce their carbon footprint, at this event, DHL announced that they're going to run 50% of their fleet on electric.
Okay, we're hanging out at a customer appreciation event where DHL has invited us to expo the GoSun.
CEO Greg Hewitt stopped by and was immediately taking photos and texting them to buddies who had boats. And at the event, we auctioned off a GoSun Sport to a great young gal from Ford. Enjoy, Laura.
If I'm doing my job.
When I got back to the office, the team had made some gorgeous quinoa and red curry with sweet potato. I was set for lunch and dinner.
Nice sunny day, got the grill. Kind of forgot that we have some event pretzels and those famous cookies. They've been running for about 3 days. So I'll take them. Got some lucky dogs hanging out in the field, running loose. And look at this evening light coming through the trees, hitting up our GoSun. There's the cookie look that we're looking for, and some chocolate brownie cake. Woo! I've got dessert.
I'm amazed at how much sun there actually is to work with if you just pay attention, even during the winter in Ohio.